You have to get over there to Baddie Twins' house and hear him sing, mash it up, got to mash it up, got to mash it up. Meemaw said, is he singing about the corned beef hash? And he was. They are so funny. And AJ said, do they always have to say, hey girl? Yes, they do, they do. They are some of the most entertaining people on YouTube. The Baddie Twins. Be sure you get over there and hear them sing, mash it up, you got to mash it up, you got to mash it up.
Drinks on me, girls on me, on the dance floor, all eyes on me. Who is he? Then you better come get your girl dog. All eyes on me, party like a rock star. You can find me in VIP. All eyes on me, yeah, where the girls are. This is how your night be. All eyes on me.
All eyes on the prize, money supersized. G5 super fly, should be supervised.
Hello. Welcome to Carter's Eat, where today we are cooking. It's been a while since we cooked together, and we're doing Cynt and Mo's cabbage cook-off. And what better recipe than to use than the Baddie Twins? They just did cabbage. I have my way of making cabbage, so we very well may be visiting that tomorrow. Meemaw is making meatloaf, so I am embarking on the Baddie Twins cabbage and corned beef hash. So get there, and check this video out. So I'm gonna go over the grocery list. So hold on, we'll be right back. Okay, here's our ingredients. Baddie Twins cold foot cabbage. There's our yabbage, butter, thyme, an onion in the freezer to prevent crying, and the mandate was twist off corned beef hash.
Shit up, mash it up, me I feel mash it up. Ooh, girl.
So that, my friends, is how we're gonna get it popping and started. So I'm gonna warm up the eye. We're gonna cut the cabbage together and get started. Hold on to your seatbelts. This should be fun. Use plastic bags to put their cabbage into their bowl. Baddie Twins use a frying pan. So there's a little butter. I don't think I've ever made my cabbage with butter. Olive oil will do. Okay, so we're gonna drop in the cabbage right on top of the butter. I'm splitting it up a little as I pull it out of the pot. There you can see it. I don't like some of the hard pieces, but they cook up nice.
If you do the challenge, make sure you tag Cynt and Mo.
Yeah.
That'll be a double special surprise. Make sure you tag Cynt and Mo, and we will decide which
It's gonna
dish
make a lot of
we think
water, you
was the
guys.
best.
That's what cabbage does. Cabbage makes a
You
lot
want
of water.
us to decide, or you want the viewers
We'll
to
decide on theirs.
We'll decide on
They're
theirs.
deciding on theirs.
Okay, all right. That's
But
cool.
y'all have only 2 weeks.
We're still a plant butter household. Woo. Country Club plant butter. Looks like I'm taking the last good bit of it. Put that right on top. Over to the cutting board. We are doing as the Baddie Twins instructed. Freeze your onion to prevent you from crying. We'll see if that actually works. Mima said run it in cold water. She's over there getting her meatloaf ready, / Papa's sandwich ready, and she gonna make a video debut, y'all. Joyce is gonna make a debut. I'm talking about every video you show up. I think she does it, y'all, so that she can, so my two sisters can hear her. Well, I tell you, it's hard to cut. Opposite. Oh, Jesus. So I'm done trying. Now, because we know the kids are going to be eating this, I'm not going to cut that much. But we cut it fairly thin. There we go. We're going to put that right on top of the cabbage. Travel with it. About the smell of this cabbage. Cabbage can smell good instantly. And that's a lot of onions, so I'm going to scale back because I know consistency right here. The thin ones are nice. But we're going to chop it down. As it cooks more, we'll chop it down more. We'll cut it down more. So we're going to put a lid on this and come back and add it. Okay, you guys, we're getting right into the corned beef part of it. The Baddie twins, me and my mama can't stop laughing at the Baddie twins part about this key. He said if you don't have the corned beef hash with the key, and they don't have the key, you in trouble because you can't open it. But they use a Kirsch. But this is the closest they had down here in the South. But it's got a key, so we're good to go. So we're going to scroll it backwards and go ahead and get our corned beef all ready while the cabbage keeps cooking. So I'll let you see it come out. My mama might have to help me. The key part, y'all. The Baddie twins were right when they said make sure you know how to use that opener. Because, baby, we didn't. And Meemaw had to come and save the day. We had a time. What a time. What a time.
Shit up, my shit up, me I feel my shit up. Ooh, girl.
Not as hard as the Baddie twins were. They had some complications, but ours is still ready to go. We're gonna add some kosher salt, peek at our cabbage, and get ready to add the corned beef if the cabbage is at the consistency we're ready for. And we're also going to add some thyme. They used Hawaiian pink salt, I believe. Ooh, let me let y'all get a good look at the pretty baby. Nice. I like that consistency. And we're going to let the thyme rest right on top. We're going to let the thyme, we added kosher salt, and we're letting the thyme rest right on top. Okay, you guys? You have to get over there to Baddie Twins' house and hear him sing, mash it up, got to mash it up, got to mash it up. Meemaw said, is he singing about the corned beef hash?
Shit up, my shit up, me I feel my shit up. Ooh, girl.
And he was. They are so funny. And AJ said, do they always have to say, hey, girl? Yes, they do. They do. They are some of the most entertaining people on YouTube. the Baddie twins, be sure you get over there and hear them sing, mash it up, you got to mash it up, you got to mash it up. So now we're going to get this corned beef hash directly into this pot that already has thyme and the kosher sauce. Okay. And we're going to evenly disperse this corned beef hash. New to me, new to mama. We are open to trying new recipes, and we are here for it, Baddie twins. Cynt and Mo, let me see how our cabbage comes out in your cabbage cook-off. Usually we use chicken broth. Usually we use red and yellow peppers. Again, we are embracing different cultures and trying new things. That's what YouTube allows us to do. We're going to let it cook down and let out that oil from the corned beef hash. Get into that cabbage. And we'll be right back with you. Oh, I revisited the video. My boy started mixing the thyme in, the corned beef in immediately. So we're going to work that down right now. Right now. Now I can't stop saying, got to mash it up. We're going to get out of the way and go get AJ. Looking good, y'all. We'll find out what corned beef hash and cabbage tastes like. I'm excited. Okay. If you're the first time here at CarterEats, please be sure you go ahead and thumbs it up, subscribe, comment, commit, and stick, comment, commit, and stick, comment, commit, and stick, here on CarterEats. Okay, family lamb, we're going to cover this up and revisit it. A little bit more pepper. We're back with the final product. I'm not moving the tripod. It's gorgeous. Good movement, moist, nicely oiled. And the kids are home. So we're going to finish this video up and let the Baddie twins know this cabbage with corned beef hash does look amazing. I can't say thank you enough. Cynt and Mo, cabbage cook-off competitors, participants. Get there. Check this out. The butter, the corned beef hash. Welcome to CarterEats. Wow, Baddie twins. Never heard of such. And that Himalayan salt. We'll see you in the next, because off is coming, video.
from the cat for rat fat.
Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough, champagne, murder.